Well, it is with great delight that I'm here with Mark at Little Prince of Oregon, and we're usually, Mark, we talk about one or two plants for our plant pick of the month, but this time we did pick a plant pick, but we're going to do something a little bit different, aren't we? We're going to add plants that you can make a container with this fall that'll last through the winter. So let's jump in with, tell me about this one first.
Okay, this is one of my absolute favorite ferns. It's Asplenium trichomones, or maidenhair spleenwort, and there's a lot of cool things about it. It stays small and compact and mounding, so it's not ever going to get more than about this big around and about so tall.
Nice.
It is a native in 48 states.
Oh my.
So it's, and actually it's found on every continent in native populations.
Beautiful.
So it's a very cosmopolitan fern.
So how do people then go about coming up with a great container to put this in?
So like I think all good containers need to have some kind of height component in it.
Sure.
So I usually plant that first when I do something. So I have three things here that we might consider putting in there. This is Pennisetum hamlin, just a grass. Carex testacea is another grass. And then this is Arctostaphylos big sur. It's a manzanita. I think I'm going to actually use the Carex testacea in this one because I like the contrast of that orangey foliage, and so we'll do that. So I would plant that first and break the bottom off of it here a little bit.
And let's tell people again, there's no shame in doing that.
No,
to
absolutely
those roots.
not.
I mean, that helps them.
Yeah, it totally helps them. You want the roots to kind of be broken apart and to be able to push out into the new soil. So, and I don't like to put the tall thing right in the middle, but offset just a little bit. It's my personal preference. I've also got black mondo grass that I think looks beautiful with, you can see the dark stems of the Asplenium trichomones. And many people don't know that black mondo grass gets a really cute little flower on it too.
And if people don't like it, they can snip it off.
I'm sure, yeah. So again, notice how nicely rooted the plants from Little Prince are.
They are nicely rooted. That's why it's painful for a lot of people to rip them apart when they plant them.
So now we'll tuck the Asplenium trichomones in. And fern roots don't have the white roots. Don't worry about that when you see it, but I am breaking this up a little bit too.
Right.
So fern roots are always going to be kind of dark like that.
Which is misleading to a lot of people because they think they're rotten or something. That's generally how they look.
Yeah. So this needs a little bit more yet, and so I have several things here. I love spike moss or Selaginella. So we're going to stick a Selaginella in beside the
and several different varieties of it are available.
We do, yeah. We grow, I believe, 6 varieties, and it will also trail over just a little bit.
Nice.
Another fern that I absolutely love is Blechnum pennamarina.
It looks small.
Is it going to stay that way? It stays small.
Yeah,
this one will only get 6 inches tall.
Wow.
And it's a great shade ground cover. Like if you go to the Rhododendron Species Garden in Federal Way, Washington, has a beautiful patch of it that's like 20 feet across, and just it spreads in beautifully. So
see proof again that that's what the roots do.
So I took a bunch of roots off of that, and we'll tuck him in over here. So I kind of like the balance of that with we've got a little triangle here, and then so I would just then fill a little bit of soil in around that. If you want to, like if this is going to be on your patio for the winter or something, you can take some rock and stick around these just to kind of give it some...
Just to give it a look of a finished look.
Yeah,
But if you like it the other way too, that's fine because they will grow out over.
Yeah. So then when you water that, the rock will get washed off and you'll have a cute little
and the benefit is this will last through the winter wherever you put it and come home in spring.
Will last several years if people want it to. If you trim it up a little bit.
And so I'm assuming that since these were shade plants, you don't want to put it out in full sun even in the winter.
I would put this one in. Well, in the wintertime, I think it could be
get
in
a little
full
bit more sun.
But I would put this in partial.
Perfect.
Partial sun in the summertime.
Well, there you have it. We always like to try to bring something new to our interactions with Mark here at Little Prince, and this is a great idea. So if you want more information, go to gardentime.tv. We'll click you over to their website. Thank you so much, Mark.
You're welcome. Thanks.